17 says a 7 or an 8. So those are the 4 7s and the 4 8s. And notice that there's no overlap. So we just want to add the 4 7s plus the 4 8s over 52. And we don't need to subtract anything. So that's equal to 8 cards over 52, which reduces to 2 over 13. And another way of looking at it is that these are 2 columns out of the total 13 columns. 18 says a red 7 or a black 8. So that would be these 2 cards and these 2 cards. And again, there is no overlap, so we just need to add them. So 2 plus 2 over 52 is equal to 4 over 52, which reduces to 1 over 13.